Let's go to the river.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So this is the continuation of our previous vlog. So previously we came to Thotne, and as you can see, the scene is super beautiful. That rocky mountain and there we have super amazing view of the blue mountains. So if you want to check that out, please go and check it out first. Now we're gonna go to the river, enjoy the river vlog. It's gonna be a picnic, so river picnic. Let's go. Wow. And then a peak is Cobru Peak. If you can see the peak, check that mountain views, guys. What? Holy moly! Woo! And here's a village. Yay! Bye bye. It's awesome. How can you not love this place? This is amazing. Corona free zone. No corona. Meh. Meh. The gods are so cute. So now we took off road. And the road is not that impressive. Oh, yes, let's go, let's go. Oh, this is super scary right now. Yes, 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 yes. Go, 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 go. What? Go, go, go. Don't stop. Check that out, guys. It's all dust. Wow. What an experience in the hill off-roading. In search of a river. So we are in search of Amale River. Amale River, which means gooseberry river in Nepali. So Amale, there's Amale Pahad also. Amale Pahad, like gooseberry hill. But if we go from Kala Pahad, the road is good. And here, off-roading experience. Go, 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 go. Wow. Super terrible road, guys. It's super scary. I'm enjoying though. It's awesome. What a ride. Holy moly ride. Holy moly ride, guys. Dai Amale kata cha? Amale khola? Acha yatai agadi नै ho? Okay, let's go. So we're about to reach now. It was an epic ride off-roading. Now the road is good. Let me show you. Check this out. Black Top. Which river is this? Guys, there's a parking spot here. Is this Amale or Seti? Yeah, there are two rivers here. Yo Amale ho ki Seti ho? Yo Amale ho ni? Alright, so let's park here. Reverse, reverse. So guys, this is the river. So we're gonna park our cars here. So we have parked our cars. Last time I came, it was full. The water was very high. Now the water is less, but it's good enough for picnic. Let's go, guys. River finally. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The water is so clean. What? This is super clean water. It's very cold. And there's a bridge. Oh, I have an idea. We can cook inside the bridge, like under the bridge. We found a picnic spot, guys. We're gonna cook under that bridge. Let's go and get the saman, the raw materials and everything for the picnic. Guys, Prasan is angry. Khatta.
Help me.
Yay.
So hot. I need help.
Yes, of course, bro. First, give me that bag. It will be easier for me to carry.
It's heavy.
Wow. This is super heavy. There is space under the bridge.
Okay.
Let's go. That is our picnic spot. Check this out, guys. Perfect place for picnic. Mommy, mommy. Abhishek is also there. Wow. This looks super awesome, guys. Wow. So clean. I can see inside. What? Rohan and Suraj. So this is everything we brought with us. So we brought our own firewood. And if you go for picnic, if you go for picnic anywhere, please don't litter, don't throw plastic and anything. If possible, burn it down or take it home with you. Yeah. Whirlpool, whirlpool. It's like spinning water. See. Underwater cyclone. whirlpool. What? The fire has started. So we're gonna start preparing chai first. So first thing tea. After chai, we're gonna start cooking. I'm gonna leave my shoes here. Even my socks. Barefoot. This looks good. Wow! Whoa! 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 Ah, my leg hurts. Ah. Ah. Guys, it literally hurts the leg. I mean the feet. Ron is working. Abhishek is also working. Prasant is cutting piyaj. Sanjay is not working. Alright guys, so now we're gonna try and balance some stones. Like we don't know how to balance stone, but let's try. The water is freezing cold, my legs hurt guys. Yes, I think we should do it here. I don't need anything, just did it. It just stood up by itself. Ah, my legs! It's working! Working! Khatam, finish, tata, goodbye. Guys, Sanjay has taken 5 stones. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go. Now it's time for chai. Mom, where is the chai?
Chai, special chai.
Wow, special chai, guys. Mommy is awesome. Mommy, chai. Thank you, mommy. Bro, how's the chai?
It's awesome.
Awesome. Wow. Chai in the jungle. Dad, how is it? How is the place? Fantastic.
Place is awesome.
Beautiful, awesome place. I want that in my story too. Lol. Tag me. I'll pretend it's me. Oh, I have an idea.